Hello, hello, hello. How we doing? Well, I thought I would make a video of something that I know ain't nobody seen, nowhere around, heard about, or anything like that. And I hope you will really enjoy it because it's going to be a unique, out of the off the wall thing that I know somebody's going to go, oh man, I like that. So here you are. It is a birdhouse. See that? It's got flowers on it. Got a chain. You can set it up under your porch or deck if you got a roof over it where the rain and stuff can't get to it. Been painted, polyurethaned. See, I'll give you a real good close-up of it. Right there. Isn't that cool? Got a little roof over it. Got a perch. You can just stick it up under your roof, on the back deck, front deck, whatever, porch. And let the birds take to it. Or you can bring it in the house and have it be an ornament, a little sort thing. Put it in like a bay window and stuff like that. I thought that was really cute. It's got flowers on it. See the flowers? So, thought I'd show you that. That's my new birdhouses. And I'm thinking $10 a piece ought to do them real good, real easy. And they don't have to have the birds and the flowers and all that. But to dress it up, you know, for an inside deal, if you wanted it to be inside, I thought that would be really cute. Okay? So, there you go. Let me know what you think about it. And if you want one, let me know. I'll be happy to make you one for $10 a pop. Talk at you later. Bye.